Уважаеми зрители на FinTV Media, съвместно с India Dnes и Orfeo Wellness АД излъчваме за вас едно интервю, дадено от индийската високотехнологична компания Vunao със седалище в Делхи. Те посетиха България от 20 до 28 август с инвестиционна цел. Шестимата представители на ръководството на фирмата бяха тук по покана на Orfeo Wellness АД и Пловдив Техпарк АД. Тяхното посещение беше съпътствано от господин Нираж Кумар, заместник-председател на Българо-индийския технологичен форум Махатма Ганди. Vunao е една от най-значимите високотехнологични индийски компании в сферата на съхранение на данни и IT услуги за безпроблемно извършване на бизнес. Основната цел на посещението на Vunao е създаване на бизнес контакти с български фирми и държавни институции, които да им съдействат за намиране на подходящи терени за позициониране на център за съхранение на данни във важни локации в България, градовете София, Варна, Бургас и Пловдив. По време на своето посещение гостите се срещнаха с министъра на икономиката господин Кирил Петков, с господин Стамен Янев, директор на Българската агенция за инвестиции, с господин Соломон Паси, господин Максим Бехар, с експерти от Министерство на туризма, с ръководството на София Техпарк, с заместник кмета по образование, бизнес, развитие и европейски политики в община Пловдив, господин Стефан Стоянов, и с ръководството на Пловдив Техпарк. Бизнес гостите бяха посрещнати и от посланника на Индия в България, негово превъзходителство Санджай Рана. Изключителна подкрепа е оказана и от нейно превъзходителство Елеонора Димитрова, посланник на България в Република Индия. Кулминационна точка на визитата беше подписване на меморандум за двустранно сътрудничество с Пловдив Техпарк на 26 август в ивент център Махатма Ганди на Техпарк. Ето какво споделиха бизнесмените в интервюто, дадено за FinTV Media, Orfeo Wellness и India Dnes, които осъществиха комуникационната кампания на посещението. Mr. Karur and Mr.
Munish Arora.
Would you introduce yourself briefly, please?
My name is Sukhvinder Singh Kaur. I am a CEO and founder of Vunao Group. Currently, we are doing data center business in India. We have 4 locations in India right now and many more in construction. And that connection, we are extending our international business through Singapore to Bulgaria. So now we are in Bulgaria to expand our business to the, and Bulgaria will be our stepping stone for the EU nations.
Okay. Why Bulgaria? Why did you choose Bulgaria?
It's a long story. It is not just we have picked up Bulgaria just by out of blue. It's a connection between Bulgaria and India that attract us to here. And I will invite Mr. Munish Arora to elaborate the.
Okay.
So basically, India and Bulgaria, since the beginning, since a long time, since the early civilizations, we are like, bound together and all that. So what it just so happened that our mentor, Mr. Deepak Sareen, he introduced us to the ambassador of Bulgaria into India. So she visited our office. We gave a presentation to her, and she was really excited to know about our plans and other things. And she came up with the idea, why not, do it in Bulgaria. This is something which Bulgaria requires. There's a huge demand of this. So that's how she initiated, and we followed her things, and we are here now to sign up with the Plowdip Techpark.
Did Bulgaria meet your expectations for an investor, as an investor?
Yes. Bulgaria has a huge potential to grow within Bulgaria, and we want to expand to the whole of Europe. And to Europe, we have to select one country. And when Her Highness visited our office, what is the name? Eleonora Dimitrova.
Yes.
She told us about the country and opportunity, and we were excited to come here and see the opportunity to invest in and to start our business with the Bulgaria and the EU nations. So we are looking very positively on this, and we got very overwhelmed welcome in Bulgaria, and we are very happy to see people like us by emotions, by doing work, by nature, and we will see great endeavor in future with the Bulgarian Association.
Okay, thank you. Today you will sign a memorandum with Plovdiv Tech Park.
Yes.
You know this is the second largest tech park in
Yes.
Bulgaria, after that in Sofia. I know that you have been there.
Yeah.
You visited?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What are your commitments in the agreement?
See, the commitments are very simple.
Yes.
Make it something which is helpful to not only us, which is helpful to Bulgarian people and the government. So we are here to add the value to whatever you are already doing. So that's what the plan is.
And we can say it is a business that will, we can say, grow together. The mantra of the business is grow together.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. You also visited the Ministry of Tourism.
Yeah.
What is the basis of your interest in culture and tourism?
Mr. Manish,
What is the connection between IT technologies and culture and tourism?
Yeah.
It's
So, as any other media or any other business, the tourism also requires database connectivity and database thing. So, our idea is not just to do business, as I was telling you earlier, but to create certain job opportunities not only in our field but other fields as well. Like we are planning to hold the biggest awards of one particular regional industry in this country. So like the Cannes is to Hollywood, we want to create another festival, probably in Burgas, Stara Zagara, somewhere, and make it so big that it becomes a tourist destination.
and to promote our
Yes, and promote your culture and our culture.
Yes, our culture. This is the boost tourism. That's right.
Pardon?
Boost tourism. Yes.
Yeah, it will really boost tourism. Yes.
And as we are right now sitting in the cultural capital of the Europe, it's Plovdiv. Right now we are sitting here.
Tell us more about this festival.
Well, for that we will have a separate interaction about it once we finalize and sign on the dotted lines.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
If you want to say us something, maybe you know something interesting about your visit here in Plovdiv, in Sofia, in Bulgaria. Did you meet interesting people?
Yeah, the people are amazing. Everything is perfect apart from one. We miss Indian food. Please get us Indian food.
Really? What about our food?
No,
Our
we
cuisine?
I like
We
the-
like it.
I like it the most because usually I use that kind of food in India also. So it is very healthy and very great food, and I fell in love with the Bulgarian food right now. I have no problem.
Many of spaces are very
yes.
similar.
It is very-
yes, very
yes,
similar.
yes, yes.
But we cook not too much spices.
Yeah, so we are fond of spices, no?
Somewhat.
Okay. No, thank you very much. And I wish you success in
Thanks.
everyone.
Thank you.
Youth.
Thanks
Thanks
for
Thanks a lot.
giving us time to express our vision and our emotions to the nation, and we see the good endeavor together.
Yeah.